Yoruba spirituality is one that accords so much respect to even abstract and inanimate objects. Plants are treated with utmost respect. The land upon which we step, the water, the wind, and even things like the chair, table, and what have you. In fact, we even see these objects as being alive enough to be considered Orisa. The Yoruba doesn't really see anything as dead. Everything is alive. Everything possesses energy. And if energy can be transmitted through them, then they can affect our own lives. Nothing is neutral. Anything can work for you or against you. That is why in the Yoruba scientific worldview, anything can be personified. We believe that kò dìgbà tí nǹkan bá lẹ́mìí kó tó lè gbàbọ̀dè fún yàn. That is why we say things like èmi ò ní rìn lọ́jọ́ tí ebi ń pa ọ̀nà. The road is treated as a human being who can lose his temper, who can go wild as a result of being hungry. Ilẹ̀ òrìṣà ní í ṣe, òkè, odò, even àga. That is how you know that paying homage to or appeasing the òrìṣà isn't really worship in that sense. It is a symbolic recognition of the energies possessed by the elements of nature. But I already have a long video on that one on YouTube. Go there and have some fun even as you learn new things. Wàá ṣeré.